Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around of it. So starting off, our primary fence color on here is this beautiful sterling gray. Out in the sun, you cannot beat how this color looks. Just a beautiful, beautiful aesthetic. Then it is paired with a midnight blue accent here in the center. And of course, highlighted with our standard fence rails. Really, really good combination on this boat. And then you got the French gray interior that just kind of pulls all of these colors together. On this particular model, you do have fence mounted docking lights and navigation lights. Adds for that really, really bright LED light. I mean, come on, look at that, how bright they are. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a step on the inside through the bow area here. So a couple things to notice right when you walk on board. Completely reconfigured interior for the Harris Cruiser. Completely different aesthetic and different materials that have been used in here. You've got tons of storage, both in your rear compartment and your forward compartment on your lounge seats. Of course, held together with that stainless steel tether to make sure that those brackets don't hyperextend. We got a beautiful vinyl inlay here to really add to that aesthetic, to switch up that French gray pattern and to really match that the rest of the boat with all the other colors we have. Now, as we walk through here, I want you to notice on the floor, for one, we have these beautiful RGB lights that are underlit underneath all of our loungers. With this, you can change from any color you want, or even going to a slow blend of colors. Now, as we're on the floor here, I want you to notice this vinyl seagrass that we'd like to call it. This is a very, very durable floor. This is something that you can actually really get a hard bristle brush on, spray some simple green on there, and really clean this boat up and not have to worry about that stitching coming apart. Really, really quality floors on this boat. Now, coming over to our helm area here, I want to point out a few things to you guys on these. So, whenever we engage our navigation lights, like I have here, it turns on that beautiful dash area where we can very well see our backlit gauges and also have an included hour meter. So that's not something that we have to tack on extra. And then you also have a runtime counter. And then a few more options as far as battery voltage as well. Now on this particular model, we have the dual helm seat set up. With this, you can have a very comfortable ride right next to your loved one. And they have completely changed these seats up to where it really shows that Harris quality in these cruiser models. You can see they have a vinyl center in here to switch up those colors, just like I was talking about on the loungers. With these, you still have adjustable armrests and adjustable backrests. Now, another thing to take note of, whenever someone's operating this boat, 9 times out of 10 when you're on a pontoon and you're coming into dock, it's really comfortable to stand up in these boats to get that extra view all around to making your docking that much better. So if you keep your wheel in the standard position, as you can see, I'm comfortably standing up here. And that's what they've done in 2021, really cutting away a lot of that material and making a lot more leg room. Now, as we come to the back and check out our rear facing loungers here, still have tons and tons of storage underneath all these seats that are all self-bailing to keep all of your items very nice and dry. And we have a single battery set up here with a battery switch for on and off. Very cute, convenient for the end of the day when you have to turn the batteries off. And of course, the same thing on the opposing side, on our port side. Even more storage. Can't have too much storage on these pontoon boats. And then an included trash can in here, making it a lot easier to throw all those trash items away and hide them and stow them away where nobody will see them. Now, of course, when you're buying a boat, motor's a huge, huge part of this, right? Well, as we open up our really easy lift gate and go to the back deck here, we'll see we have a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. Now with this, you're going to get a really quiet ride experience, tons of power where you can do both skiing, tubing, and even just cruising very slow on a normal day of boating. So you can really see how you can switch this boat up to adapt to any kind of activity that you're going to be doing out on the water. All right, guys. If you'd like to hear more information about this boat, please contact us at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys so much for watching.